to another episode of Trundlebed Tales. And this is the second in my series of unboxing videos. And actually I have kind of a broad spectrum of things today because for one reason or another a couple orders seem to come at once. So I've got things from 3 home sites today. And let's start off with the one that's only a t-shirt. This is from the Little House in the Prairie Museum, which is the Laura home site in Independence, Kansas. And ta-da! Yeah, this is their new logo design, and they are working, I'm not exactly sure which company, but one of those companies that lets you put your logo on a whole variety of things, so you can get them as t-shirts and sweatshirts and tank tops and all sorts of stuff, and a variety of colors. But this is, I like red, and I thought it looked the best with the logo. So that's what we got right from Kansas. Next up, we've got Mansfield. And this is kind of a sort of a late thing. I just got it because I couldn't bear not to have a complete collection because, you know me, that's what I'm all about, being a completist. And so I have the official multi-site calendar for the Laura home sites. Now, this is put together by DeSmet each year, and last year they didn't get it done. This year they they not only got this one done right at the beginning of the year, let me move it down here, they also got a second one done now, so the 2020s are actually out. They came out a little after I placed this order, actually, because that's how things go. But if you want to have a Laura Ingalls Wilder calendar for your collection with pictures from all of the home sites that work together on this. Ooh, it's a nice picture of the barn. There's electric wires. It's really hard to get a picture of the barn without the electric wires. That's nice. Walnut Grove, Baroque, Walnut Grove, and there's a mix of current and historical pictures. And here you go. So these aren't all brand new pictures, and I'm sure the ones for 2020 aren't either, but it is a neat thing to have. I always like to have a Laura calendar. So the 2021 will be in my next purchase. Now, the other thing, the theme for today I should say is t-shirts, because the reason that I ordered from Mansfield here is because I just couldn't pass up their t-shirt. This was the first year. As you know, they have a new director, and this was their first year that they cooperated with the Mansfield Cherry Blossom Festival that has speakers come in from all over the country, and they decided to have what they were calling a children's literature festival, which mostly seemed to be having the Little House people come out to the Laura home site, or to Rocky Ridge. But they did have other events going on during the day, and they had this amazingly awesome t-shirt. Isn't that gorgeous? That's why I just had to place an order, because it is just lovely. That's Mansfield, which brings us to our latest purchase, which is from Walnut Grove. Now, their was a particular reason I ordered this one too, but first, continuing our theme, we have a T-shirt. And this is from the Walnut Grove Laura Museum, but they are selling them in conjunction with the Walnut Grove Volunteer Fire Station, or Volunteer Fire Department. And so it's a fundraiser for them too. There's the back, and there's the front, and I hadn't added one of these to my collection yet, so there it is. Then, with the big event coming up, this big Laura Ingalls Wilder reunion for the television show, they have had some special things out, and one is this lanyard. And I like lanyards, so I was glad to get a pretty Laura one, red and white, my favorite colors, so I was glad to get that. And then this, you're going to have to open it up so you can see it right. A tin, oh, nope, that isn't right. That's right. The tin cookie cutter that shows the shape of the Ingalls house on the Little House on the Prairie NBC TV show. And I love tin cookie cutters. If you're interested in tin cookie cutters, you should definitely check out Kitty Lataine's shop. She designs a new one for every year for the Pep and Laura days. And finally, what I'm sure you all have been waiting for, this year's reunion shirt. They do really nice shirts in Walnut Grove, and they've been kind of similar, kind of keeping in a theme since the reunion, and this is a red this year. Yay! So this is the reunion kind of logo with the date and everything, and on the back are the names of the actors. So that is what I'm unboxing today. I hope you had a great visit and that you'll be sure to brighten the corner where you are.